The next Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a beast, but will the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 finally unleash its full potential? There's been some exciting new information revealed about Samsung's upcoming flagship phone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As smartphone enthusiasts like us know, Samsung typically uses both its own Exynos chips and Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips in different models of the Galaxy S phones depending on the region. Well, it looks like for the S24 Ultra, Samsung is going all in with Snapdragon globally. A new teaser video published by Samsung basically confirms that the S24 Ultra will be powered exclusively by the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. This is big news. Let us break it down for you. The video shows off Zoom Anyplace requires Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. In their video, Samsung demonstrated a new camera feature called Zoom Anyplace that works with their latest 200MP camera sensors. Zoom Anyplace allows you to simultaneously record both a full wide-angle video and a separate zoomed-in video of the subject, all in crisp 4K resolution. Here's the kicker. Samsung specifically called out that Zoom Anyplace is accelerated by the Qualcomm AI engine, and they highlighted the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. In the video, when discussing this, since we know the current Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 200MP sensor but uses the older Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it's clear that Zoom Anyplace was designed for the S24 Ultra, and if it requires the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, then Samsung is definitely going with Qualcomm's latest chip. For their next flagship, Zoom Anyplace is really cool tech that unlocks more creative possibilities. You can choose a subject to focus on, and it will automatically track that subject and keep it in frame. The camera simultaneously records both the full wide view and the zoomed-in view in high resolution and high frame rate 4K. So you get two perspectives, the full scene and a close-up tracking shot in a single video. Samsung says this helps you capture fast action without losing your subject, and because it's using in-sensor zoom. The color and angle of the two views stay consistent. With the S24 Ultra's upgrades, the zoomed-in portion will have even higher detail than before. Exciting stuff beyond Zoom Anyplace. Samsung teased another new feature for the S24 Ultra E2 AI Remoic. This allows the camera to process 200MP images 50% faster than on current Galaxy phones. By doing the image processing steps in parallel rather than sequentially, you'll see much lower latency when capturing huge 50MP or 200MP photos, no more lag. So both these great camera innovations need the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's beefed-up processing power. It's clear Samsung is fully committing to Qualcomm's latest silicon for their flagship S24 Ultra model. In the past, it was frustrating how Samsung would use different chips in different regions. Now it seems they are unifying the S24 Ultra around the Snapdragon globally. No more confusion based on where you live. This should allow Samsung to truly optimize the phone's performance. With Qualcomm's newest chip, and we'll all get to experience the S24 Ultra's cutting-edge camera capabilities that leverage the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's AI engine and speed. Of course, official details are still to come, but this video leaves little doubt. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to pack a punch, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 under the hood when it launches next year. As Android enthusiasts, we have a seriously powerful new phone to look forward to. Let us know what you think about Samsung seemingly going all in on Snapdragon for the S24 Ultra. Are you excited about the new camera tech enabled by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.